Hello everybody. Quick introduction to this video. This is a review of some Banggood supplied tools. Banggood doesn't build them, they sell them. I appreciate the ability to do this, and they provide me the tools free of charge. They're mine to do whatever I want with them. And I'll tell you that I'm always honest in my review of the tools. If I don't think they're good, I'll tell you that. And if I think they're good, I'll tell you that also. So watch the video. I do have some notes in there that help you make some determinations when you want to fast forward. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for stopping by the channel and subscribe. You know, the usual mantra. Here we go. So reviewing these two products, let's start with the flashlight. So the manufacturer is Astrolux, which Banggood doesn't build these. Of course, they just sell them. And if it comes up on here, this is the 5000K unit. And I'll take it into the back shop and show you, but I'm very impressed with this unit. I've been really happy that it was sent to me and that I do get to keep it and use it. The FT03. So it has a button here that indicates charge level here, and this button is like a dimmer switch. So it goes all the way from, you can see it brightens up and then shuts off. You can dim it back down. Really like this unit, and I'll take it into the dark part of the shop or out at night and show you. Very nice unit. Secondly, we'll do a review on this Drill Pro product. I've never used these before. These are a product. Let me pull one out. Oh, I'm going to get them all. Okay, we get them all. I wanted the largest one. I will say the plastic tray is a little bit of a bear to get the units out. There we go. So these fit the drill driver. You have a pilot drill, and then it will thread. And we will do a couple tests on them. And before we do that, let's go over and get a magnified look at actually the drill point on this and see what we can see. Now we have a magnified view of the cutting edge on this unit, and I'll spin it around. See a little bit of chipping there on the edge of the tool. But all in all, it doesn't look too bad. And we will give it a shot on how it drills. Let's see what we can see on the actual threads themselves. Again, this is the cutting tip. It's the unit's laying sideways right now. Before we were looking at it from the end. All in all, it doesn't look too bad at all. And let's see if we can get a peek at the threads down here. So it would be cutting in this direction. And again, doesn't look too bad. So let's get it in the drill driver, and let's give it a test and see how she cuts. and threads. I thought I'd just mention this unit right here, the microscope, is another item that I did a review on some time ago from Banggood. It's been just a fantastic product in the shop. I modified it and added it to a height stand. That was the standard adapter on the back, and I just made a piece for it. And with having that, it gives me much more versatility for moving the unit around. It has a battery in it, and it stayed plugged in charged here, so you can actually remove it, and it can actually record. I don't use it for that, but you can use it for recording. And there's a focus knob right there, and depending upon the height of the unit, how much your magnification is. And then just for talking, that's a 3D printed unit. This was off of John Saunders, New York, NYC, CNC. He showed this, and you could download the print, and so it'll hold things on both directions for viewing. So it's really a nice little unit. Okay, let's give it a test. Okay, got it set up in the vise here. Does that help at all? Probably not. Okay, got it set up in the vise here, and this piece of material is basically a 1/4 inch thick steel, and got it in the drill driver, and let's give it a shot. This is a number 8 by 125. Put a little Tapmatic on it. I got a nail set there, or not a nail set, but I put a set, and here we go. Not the most aggressive drill bit. Getting close. Okay, let's see how it threads now. Let's put a little juice on the threads. We'll just try to help it a little bit here. Yep. My drill driver won't do it. Well, it's not strong enough. Okay, hang on here, guys. Try the impact driver. right out of the vise. Well, took the little bit of the coating off. I'm going to try something here. We're going to keep the camera on. Tighten the vise up a little bit. Let's go back in. Okay, we got the thread through now. Thread's a little loose. Not extremely bad. Now, out of curiosity, hang on. Now, this is a drill bit out of my set. Let's just see how long it takes for it to drill through. Trying to break through. Come on, let go. I hate these chucks on these drills. Anyway, you can see it was markedly quicker than the Drill Pro unit there. So let's try a thinner piece of material just for yucks. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but I just wanted to give you a little closer view of the threads that it did cut. Okay, here's a piece of 3/16 steel, just your regular strap iron that you buy at the big box store. And we'll go right in with the drill driver, see how it works. Well, not the sharpest drill, I'll guarantee you that. Getting close. Definitely a lot of torque for it to tap. and doesn't lock into the drill driver worth of beans, and it's hot. Well, my impression of these is not high. Bolt's not going in. And cleaning the threads, it does work. Not that impressed with this by any means. I'm going to try one more thing with this same unit. Well, that's the cutting edge after drilling. So it definitely took a beating there. And the other side, not quite as bad. Well, I did a quick little sharpening on it. So let's see if it drills better. Okay, let's see if my little attempt at sharpening it helped it at all. It's something you shouldn't have to do to the tool. Gotta going forward, Charlie. Definitely seeing better chips. Lots of torque on it. That could be from the heat from the drill. Huh. Well, sharpening it did help it drill faster. Come on out of there. Let's take a peek at the drill again, just for the fun of it. We're going to call this quits. And you can just see that it's really not a great drill bit by any means. See this little curve up in here? So I've never used this type of tool before, and I have to say I'm not impressed with this. Maybe it'd be good in aluminum and plastic. Of course, it's going to go through that. But for using on steel, this product, I don't know that it's worth the time. I could go much faster with a drill and a hand tap. Okay, we're here in the dark, and going to show you the flashlight. How bright it gets, the nice round area. It really illuminates the area around it very well, and you can dim it down and shut it off. Come all the way back up. Super bright. This product, this flashlight, I would definitely recommend. I think it's a very nice tool, nice purchase. There's my lights. So this unit, get here in front of the camera, this unit charges using a USB cable, and it's got a little different attachment there, and basically, come on, you open up the port and plug it in. Main camera, open up the port and plug it in there. The charging cord does not come with the unit. It's something you have to purchase on your own. But again, I think it's a heck of a tool.